Hello, guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope we're live as well. We are watching the Bitcoin chart on 1 minute time frame, and if we don't need this one, it's quite loud now. I hope you guys can hear me. And yeah, so we are watching this price section on Bitcoin chart. Everything start from daily to all the way to 15. Oh, this mouse is mine. What is it doing? This mouse is giving me a tough time, man. I don't know, bro. What is happening in here? It should be fine now. Yeah, think so. Yeah. Sorry, sorry about that, guys. I'm very quite sleepy right now at the moment. To have this is the 4 hour time frame fair value gap. Market just has shown rejection from this range. Look at this. Just correct two candles and then trying to go toward low levels from here. I was just watching the price section at this point. This is 1 minute time frame chart, by the way. We'll discuss everything on bigger picture time frame as well. But the because it's a 9:53 New York stock market opening, index is opening. It's the trading hours open, so we can anticipate a volatility. That's why we have to keep an eye on a charts on 1 minute time frame, which is important right now. And I will discuss with you guys everything from. I will discuss with you everything here. This is on a bigger picture time frame as well. So yeah, this is the thing. So at this point, like 9:32 opening, the weight has created this low. I was like, this pink area was the 1 hour time frame fair value gap. I was like, this could be the low. Market is holding this range. You have this high, those highs, and 4 hour time frame fair value gap could be the reason for the market to be bullish. It was holding this area. I was like, you can put your stop loss below it here. You can put your stop loss below this here, low, below this low, below this low, below this low. This could have been a good small trade, by the way. This could have been just from here to here. More of a like 7 400 to 800, approximately $450 move. Could have been a good buy at here all the way to the upper side. But yeah, this is how it is now. I like at this point you would and definitely should take profit and then look to see look to watch out the market because this is the upward level of the daily fair value gap as well, if we keep in mind. This is the upper level of the daily fair value gap as well. Inversion of this, you because it is bullish, we have seen that late in the night market has done V-shaped recovery all the way toward upper side. For the continuation toward upper side, it should have to invert this 4 hour fair value gap and try to be bullish to knock all of those highs and previous all-time high as well we have in play. Could be the reason for the market to be bullish. Definitely is there. The way it got the bounce to from here to down the side. It could do V-shaped recovery, continue to be bullish from here, or maybe just show rejection from this range, try to hold this area and then be bullish as well. Or maybe for bearish case scenario, it create another low high this range, then come down, spend too much time at this range, then again create low high, then go down as well. So quite a bit of possibilities right now may played out on bigger picture time frame, but the way it has been, the first probability and the possibility right now, I'm anticipating the way it has recovered from this range to be aggressively bullish from here, inverting this 4 hour time fairly gap and be try to be bullish from here. But look at this rejection from the 4 hour time fairly gap all the way down the side. And we have these lows I'm not confident on. After that, this is 50% of the range, and we have this 4 hour time fairly gap as well in there. These could be the reason for the market to go down from here. These levels. There is no denying about that. We could be going down from here. The other reason I'm really thinking about market could remain completely choppy today in the morning session. The reason is we have a news which is out. I think so. Wednesday we have 115 which is out. We have tomorrow we have a quite big news. That's why non-farm employment change. We will have a quite big news coming up tomorrow, so we can anticipate that. For example, right now, if you're anticipating all of those lows, I'm anticipating this low as well. If this is a local top, this is the fair gap, or this is the high, market should not have to go above this high. I would anticipate from here market should have to be bearish. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. I did not want to complicate the things with the too much probabilities and the possibilities for now. We'll just anticipate one probability or the possibility on a shorter term time frame and look to see if that played out or not. It's trying to playing out or not. For example, if market went above this high, I will be more for like cautious that it may not go down. Then we'll see if market create local top at this range, then be bearish, or maybe inverting this level, try to be bullish as well toward upper side, which is also possible. So look at this. This is just I was anticipating at this range not to go above this high from here. Try to be bearish if this is a local top, but it went above this high. Let's see again for bearish case scenario, because this is the previous high as well. This is the top. I'm anticipating from here market should have to create local top and then try to go down from here toward low levels. Create local top at this range, come back inside the range, and then try to be going down from here all the way toward low levels. Because I'm aiming for all of those lows right now to be knocked off. The bullish case scenario is if it went above this high, if it went above this high, we'll see if market trying to hold this area, and then we look for the upward level from the market all the way to the upper side. This is what it is I am watching and observing the charts right now. the the last the probability we are anticipating, I'm also anticipating, is it is also possible that market could remain completely sideways at this range. Market may not knock the highs, market may not knock the lows, which is also possible. The reason is tomorrow we have a quite big news coming up. That's why. And if on daily time frame we close above this 50% of this daily fair value gap today, round about 107 approximately, we closed above this range, I will be bullish on a market. I will be really looking for all-time high from here. I will be looking for the market open, go all the way to the upper side to all-time high. This is what it is that we would anticipate. But that's how it is. Like, im- very important to try to understand what most of the retail trader would be thinking at this point on a price action. The way market got the bounce from here to the upper side. Oh no, this if you watch out, just this price action. The way we got the bounce from here all the way to the upper side, and we have all of those highs in play. Retail trader was bullish at this range, market went down. At this range, retail trader will be bullish as well because we're trading very close to the previous highs. They would be looking for the market to go to the upper side, but it is possible that that's how this is what smart money knew. and they could create another local top at this range and then could send the price toward low levels as well from here, which is also possible as well. There is no denying about that. The way market has come gone down yesterday, I was really thinking about to yesterday. I was the same thing I was like trying to discuss in this quick live stream as well. I was thinking about hold in the night as well at this point. Tomorrow we can anticipate that market could stay inside this range, remain sideways as well, and then on Friday or Thursday we will anticipate low levels from here. This is what it is I was thinking about for whole day. The way it was going down from here to low levels, I was like, we could be going down all the way to this daily fair value gap as well. This is what it is I was thinking about from charts, like continuation toward downside from here all the way to these lows. But we have seen that from charts, like, but we got the bounce like after the opening, market created low, knocked the previous low, and is going up and up and up and up. Knocked all of those local highs. It has knocked this, all of those local highs has been knocked. And then this high left. Let's see, market has a potential to invert this 4 out of fairly gap and then try to be bullish or maybe show rejection from this range, come back down. We'll see market create low high and then try to be bullish or make maybe create local top at this range. The weight has created at in here because everyone is bullish looking for the market to go to the upper side from here. For bearish case scenario, possible that create local top at this range again and then try to be bearish as well all the way to those lower levels from here. This is also possible as well. We cannot deny about that. So this is more of like bigger picture time frame. I'm anticipating from the market to do. The weight has like got the bounce from here. It could be bullish as well for all of those all-time high, but quite a bit of possibilities we can anticipate from the market to perform. 4 hour time frame. I'm watching this 4 hour time frame fair value gap. This green area, if to see if market inverting this level and be bullish, because this is quite bullish, or maybe show rejection, and then we'll see this range from the market to be bullish, try to go to upper side. Maybe creating local top of this range, I mean sideways, and then be bearish as well all the way toward low levels. So there are quite a bit of possibilities and the probabilities that may play out in this. That may play out. 1 out of fairly gap, market tap into that, got the bounce. This is bullish order block now because this is quite bullish. I'm anticipating an inversion of this 4 out of fairly gap for this high and all of those previous highs. Let's see if market has a potential to do that or maybe not as well. So that's how it is. This market is, man. For me, there's no trade at all. Could have been this trade from here all the way to what I would not take this trade. I was just watching and observing. But right now we can't trade. Let's see. Like I'm just anticipating that this is a fairly gap market, not to go below this low. Try to knock this high and go to the 50% of this because we are anticipating an inversion of this 4 out of fairly gap. That's why they try to knock this high and 50% of the range. Let's see, because this is a 4 out of fairly gap. Market could completely show rejection from this range as well, and we have to keep in mind we have all of those local lows, these lows. That rejection could send the price all the way toward those lows as well. By the way, if you watch out, this market is quite boring right now. It's quite boring. We cannot do anything about that, but that's how this market is actually quite boring. So this is I was anticipating from here. This is a rejection. Look at this. So let's see, because we have all of those lows. We have seen rejection from this range. Again, rejection from this range. Let's see if we have all of those lows. Market try to knock this time. Possible. We cannot deny this. Possible. On 4 hour time frame, possible. What level we are looking for? 107, 130. Can I go for a short for all of those lows? I did not want to take any kind of short right now because I'm not sure like if this time market has the potential to knock all of those lows, but it is possible that the weight is getting low high, it could get low high still, like one more leg toward upper side as well. Maybe continue to be bullish, maybe one leg up, then come back down and then be bearish as well, all the way toward low levels. Let's see if it keep this failure gap open and then try to be bearish. Or maybe just tap into this blue line, then go down. I wonder if it has to go down for O to knock all of those lows. It will be great if keep this failure gap open or just tap into this failure gap, then go down. It is spending quite a bit of time at this range. This is what it is. We are anticipating or already anticipating or expecting for the market. The reason is we have a big news coming up tomorrow. That's why. And today we do not have a quite big news. So that's why. So we have seen quite a bit of time rejection from this 4 hour time frame fairly gap, and we have all of those lows that could send the price toward low levels from here, but we don't know what could be the local top up till now. It's been a quite choppy and sloppy as well market, and I think I should end this live stream, guys. And that's how it is. We can anticipate a choppy price action from the market. I'm sleeping as well. I need to rest. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning session, same time. Take care. Bye.